So yesterday, as I was watching videos, all of the videos I tried clicking on gave me this error message: video unavailable, this content isn't available. And I did some digging and searching how to fix it, and here's why it happens and how you can fix it. Basically, some of the reasons why this happens is because you have ad blocker. So if you have any extensions such as ad blocker, then you will need to disable them because that is going to interfere with YouTube's system. And as you can see, I have premium, so my ad blocker wasn't even enabled. So how I fixed it, you just want to open up any video, and then right here, you will click on your channel, and then you want to click on send feedback. Now this ban, this is going to be a ban. Essentially, it's going to be like a shadow ban. Here you will capture the screenshot. You want to click on it, allow, and now you will explain all of my videos are saying video unavailable when I try playing them. Now this ban is gonna be account wide. So like I said, if you sign out of your account, you can use YouTube, but you don't want to do that. So here you describe your issue and click on send. And like I said, another thing you can do if you don't want to use that account is to sign into another account. And once you have done this, people report taking 3 to 4 days for this to actually fix. For me, it fixed it within like an hour. So that was something. So that's basically how it works and why you get this error. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.